Hello traders and investors, this is an update video for Kaspa coin, ticker KAS. Before I begin, I would like to get one thing out of the way. Some people left remarks about how people are gambling with their Kaspa or how come people are trading their Kaspa. So this is a trading channel. I am a trader and I try in this channel to explain price action. It doesn't mean that I'm encouraging you to trade, or if you trade or if you do not trade, that's your own decision. In the same way that some people are interested in cooking and other people are interested in geopolitics. That's the purpose of this channel, is to explain price action. But please spare me the righteous indignation, okay? If you don't want to trade, you don't trade. If you like price action and you don't want to trade, I'm here for you as well. Whatever you do is your own personal decision. Now, with that out of the way, this is the update. First, I will begin from the higher time frame, from the daily time frame. As far as the daily time frame is concerned, Kaspa is holding support. The 450 level is holding, and the 21-day EMA is holding. As long as Kaspa is holding support, further continuation to the upside is possible. But on the lower time frames, I think that there are some warning signs that maybe this move up is in jeopardy. First and foremost is the breach of the diagonal trend line. A diagonal trend line is very important to me personally in my trading system, because the diagonal trend line includes two axes, time and price. And whenever a diagonal trend line is breached, usually, in my experience, what happens is that the asset goes back to the origin of the move, and the origin of the move is inside this demand zone at 3.3 cents. So this is a warning sign. We also have a bearish EMA cross. A bearish EMA cross is not important in and of itself, but it tells you something, and what it tells you is that momentum is shifting to the downside. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, I don't like it all. I must say it looks terrible in my opinion. Why? First, we had the drop on September 22nd. It was a perfect entry. I really liked it. Why? Because Kaspa went below the 450 level. It left a swing failure candle, which is great because it shows a lot of demand. It also retraced to the 50% of this wick, which is also great because it reduces the probabilities of a continuation to the downside. And we had a strong move up. Now, this was a long signal for me personally. However, what we got instead was a very choppy price action, and you can see that the 50 EMA on the 1 hour is resistance, and we went back down below the 450 level. Another move up, again chop, again the 50 is acting as resistance, and down again, and every time the move up is becoming weaker and weaker, and what we have actually is consolidation in a triangle formation, and the triangles usually lead to continuation. However, just a word of caution, because triangles are notorious for fake outs, meaning that if you see a breakout above a triangle, in many of the cases it returns back down, so I'm very reluctant to trade triangles. However, it does tell you something. What it tells you is that we have a lower high, and a lower high, and it is compressing, and the time for a decision is very near. What will happen, in my opinion? Personally, I think it's going down, but I don't have conclusive confirmation because the 21-day EMA is holding and the 450 level is holding. So I wouldn't say that it must go down, but the breach of the diagonal trend line is, in my opinion, not a very good sign. And in my opinion, the chances of a further drop in price are increasing. Okay, I would have liked to make this video when I have a conclusive opinion about if this support is holding or not, but if I will release a video after Kaspa tested the 21-day EMA from below, just let me show you. If I would have recorded this video after the move, then it would not have been any help to you. So in my opinion, if Kaspa gets below the 21-day EMA, tests it as resistance, then the chances of a continuation down to the origin of the move at 3.3 cents are I wouldn't say certain, but extremely likely. So I just wanted to put this video out there for you to do with whatever you like. If you want to trade it, trade it. If you just like price action, then that's fine as well. But I wanted to put it out before the move so that you will get some value out of the video. That's all I have for you on Kaspa, and I hope it helps. I will see you in the next video.